Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is Gain, okay? Gain is a laundry detergent and this is their compact version. I love it, okay? I am really big about, pardon the pun, I'm really big about small things that are usually very large because I really like when things are compact. They offer a really compact version of something that's big so you can travel with it. I really like being able to take things with me that I normally would use at home, as far as it being a large thing, you know, any version of that, even food, it's just a real turn on to me to have something like that, able to compact. Have the compact version of that so you can just put it in your bag and have all the comforts of home wherever you're going to be. Okay, now, well, Gain is a decent laundry detergent. Okay, it's not the best, but it's decent. Gain is good for just regular cleaning, like you're sweaty, you've worked out all day, you've maybe got some food stains on your jacket, or your shirt or something normal, you spilled soda on your pants, things normal. But if you have like stains, like really deep down stains, like say blood stains or iodine or ground in dirt where you've been on your knees, like say planting in the garden or something, you've got big deep stains in your knees of your jeans or something like that, you may not get the full clean from using Gain. It's more of a basic cleaning solution, which I use all the time. Well, not all the time, but I use it a lot, for basic stuff. Basically because Gain is not very expensive and it does what it needs to do for the type of cleaning that you have. Yeah, it's a good laundry detergent. Now, this size is good for 6 loads. The manufacturer advises 6 loads for this. It's 10 ounces, 306 mils of Gain. Makes your clothes smell very good. But what I suggest is that when using this, because it's not the best detergent, and this is suggested 6 loads for a small bottle, unless you're going to just do like a few articles of clothing, not a full load of clothing, like if your laundry machine is packed full, I would not use the 6 load method here. I would use what is considered for a load and a half to 2 loads worth of this, because it's not the best laundry detergent out there. So if it's like that, if something is not the best, you're going to try to use more of it in order to compensate for it not being the best, right? So yeah, that's my suggestion. So this being says it's for 6, I would probably be done with it after 3 loads, because I'm going to put extra in there to do the job better. Yeah, but it will make your clothes smell really, really good. It's good for what it's supposed to do. I just love that it's so small and economical as far as price and this size, that it's actually available to the public so you can travel with this. this is the first time, I mean, I used Gain, the larger one, but this is the first time I'm going to actually use this to travel with. When I found this, I was very, very happy because I'm gonna take it on my next trip. So I'm saving it to go, but I have a bigger one. Yeah, you want to keep this out of your eyes, you know. You don't want to actually accidentally get it into your mouth. I mean, I don't know if you ever got suds in your eyes like shampoo or something like that, but it burns. So keep it out of your eyes. If it gets on your hands, don't rub your eyes or anything like that. But it's good. It's very, very good. I like it a lot for what it is. Yeah. Okay, that's the very tiny bottle. This bottle is about 6 inches tall, something like that. And I mean, it's very compact, so I love it. It's really good. Okay, that's Gain. It's with a really, really nice original scent. And this is the economic bottle. Okay, the really tiny one, the 6-load one. Okay, all right. I hope you guys use this information, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.